Hey guys, welcome to the Paint with Lovejoy podcast. So thanks so much for joining. In today's video demo, we're going to talk about how to paint the edges of your painting. So for the edges of your painting, you can leave it messy, you can do a wraparound image, or you can paint the edges. In this video, we're going to talk about painting the edges. The supplies that you're going to need is an acrylic color of your choice, masking tape, and your brush. For the tape, I want you to tape the top of the painting with some of that tape overhanging the edge, and then use your fingernail to make a crease at the edge without pushing the tape over. This extra overhang tape is for the paint, and it gives you that kind of nice cleaner edge. Once everything is completely dry, flip your painting back over and then peel the tape away. And you should reveal a nice kind of clean edge. If you happen to be painting on canvas, you may have to clean up just a little bit of your edges because the canvas isn't as sharp as the panels. Thanks so much for checking out this video demo, and feel free to leave any comments or questions for a video you want me to make in the future. Cheers.